Hi guys, welcome back to Helping Mind. Today I am going to show you the top 5 free AI apps for Android in 2025. These apps are super useful, powerful and completely free. So let's jump right in. First on the list is ChatGPT. It's one of the most powerful AI assistants for answering questions, writing content, or even solving problem instantly. You can see. Second is Google Gemini. It's Google AI tool, great for searching, smarter summarizing text, and even helping with daily tasks. Third is Microsoft Copilot. It works like an AI power assistant for notes, email, and even coding help. Fourth, we have Flexibility AI. This one is like a smart search engine that gives you direct answer instead of long search results. You can see sources. That is great. And finally, Notion AI, perfect for productivity. It can summarize notes, generate ideas, and organize your tasks. Here, I write an idea, create 5 ideas for long post. You can see the idea is generated. That's it. So these are the top 5 free AI apps for Android in 2025. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comment below. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech videos. Thanks for watching.